Continuing with day 8, problem number 52 and 53. We're asked to find all the real zeros of the polynomial f of x equals x cubed plus 9x squared minus 49x minus 441 and determine the multiplicity of each. Now, the easiest thing to do here, these look like big scary numbers, but looks like something we may be able to group. So, we're going to set this equal to 0 and solve. And we're going to factor by grouping. There's a common factor of x squared in the first group. X squared times x makes x cubed, and x squared times 9 makes 9x squared. Now, if I pull out this negative 49, I have a feeling that 49 times 9 is going to be 441. But negative 49 times x makes negative 49x, and negative 49 times 9 makes negative 441. So this is going to be negative 49 times x plus 9. So now we see that this is x squared minus 49 times x plus 9, and x squared minus 49 is just x plus 7 times x minus 7, difference of squares. We've factored it. We set each factor equal to 0 and solve. So we see x equals negative 7, x equals positive 7, and x equals 9. Negative 9, sorry. Now, each of these has an associated factor that produced it one time. So its multiplicity is 1. This one only has it one time, so it's 1. And this one, so it's 1. So our answer choices looks like C has 7, negative 7, and negative 9, all with multiplicity 1. So the answer is C. 53 tells us to use synthetic division to perform the division. Well, I didn't teach you synthetic division, so we're going to use long division. We're still dividing, so we'll do that. Recall, we focus on the guy up front here. We ask ourselves, what times x makes 2x cubed? That's 2x squared. We multiply 2x squared times everything on the outside to get 2x cubed plus 6x squared, and then we subtract that. 2x cubed minus 2x cubed is 0. Negative 4x squared minus 6x squared gives me negative 10x squared. I'm going to bring down the next term. Ask myself, what times x gives me negative 10x squared? That's negative 10x. I multiply negative 10x times everything outside, I get negative 10x squared minus 30x, and I subtract that. Negative 10x squared minus negative 10x squared is 0. Negative 23x minus negative 30x makes negative 23x plus 30x, which is going to be 7x, and I'm going to bring down the 29. Ask myself, what times x makes 7x, and that's going to be plus 7. 7 times everything outside is going to be 7x plus 21. I'm going to subtract that. That's going to give me 7x minus 7x is 0. 29 minus 21 is 8. So my remainder is 8. Remember, the degree here is 0, the degree here is 1. When the degree here is lower than the degree outside, this is your remainder. So my answer is the quotient up top, 2x squared minus 10x plus 7, plus my remainder over my divisor, x plus 3. And that looks like answer A.